Hi, I'm Anna Koay. Welcome to my home. The theme of my home is contemporary, yet it's a resort style. I chose this style because it makes me feel like I want to go home every day, and I feel very comfortable and warm being in my home. I went to a few designer companies, and upon speaking to different companies, I felt very comfortable talking to both Jason and Carol. For one, they were very accommodating and very patient, always trying to find out my requirement, and I really like their personalities and professionalism as well. I love my kitchen most. One of the main reasons is it's very functional and it's very customized to our requirements. So sometimes we have heavy cookings, we have a lot of guests at home, and I'm very glad to see that the kitchen has come up meeting all our expectations for a fully functional kitchen. I would recommend to anyone out there, without a doubt, if you're looking for an ID that is really understanding the customer's need and requirement, I would go for Vitas Design and recommend that. Thank you. See you again.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.